Welcome to EL Conversation Academy.
That is so cute.
That is so cute. ये बहुत प्यारा है.
Thank you.
Thank you. आपका शुक्रिया.
I love that color.
I love that color. मुझे वो कलर पसंद है.
Bob, what do you think of our new clothes?
Bob, what do you think of our new clothes? Bob, आपका हमारे new कपड़ों के बारे में क्या ख्याल है?
For the party tomorrow.
For the party tomorrow. कल पार्टी के लिए.
There's a party tomorrow?
There is a party tomorrow. कल एक पार्टी है.
It's Mr. Evans' birthday.
It's Mr. Evans' birthday. ये Mr. Evans की सालगिरह है.
Remember?
Remember, याद है.
All right.
All right. ओ ठीक है.
Am I going?
Am I going? क्या मैं जा रहा हूँ?
Yes, you are.
Yes, you are. हाँ, आप भी.
Okay.
Okay, ठीक है.
So, tell us what you think of our new clothes.
So tell us what you think of our new clothes. तो आप हमें बताएं कि आप हमारे नए कपड़ों के बारे में क्या सोचते हैं.
All those clothes are for one party?
All those clothes are for one party. ये सब कपड़े एक पार्टी के लिए हैं.
No,
No, नहीं.
we have to decide what to wear.
We have to decide what to wear. हमें फैसला करना है कि क्या पहनना है.
What do you think of these blouses?
What do you think of these blouses? आप blouses के बारे में क्या सोचते हैं?
They're very flattering.
They are very flattering. वो बहुत खुशमिजाज है.
Which one do you like more?
Which one do you like more? आपको कौन से ज़्यादा पसंद है?
What do you mean?
What do you mean? आपका मतलब क्या है?
Which one do you prefer?
Which one do you prefer? आप किसको तरजीह देते हैं?
I like them both the same.
I like them both the same. मुझे वो दोनों एक जैसे पसंद है.
No, you don't.
No, you don't. नहीं, आप नहीं करते.
You're just saying that.
You are just saying it. आप सिर्फ ये कह रहे हैं.
You need to have an opinion.
You need to have an opinion. आपको एक अख्तियार की ज़रूरत है.